Hi everyone, I'm Apurva and I'm excited to share my experience during my data science internship. Over the course of my internship, I got to work on some amazing real world ideas and data sets, including Spotify data analysis, Netflix titles data, and very insightful green destination project. Each project opened up a new dimension of learning. With Spotify and Netflix, I explored user trends, genre distributions, release timelines, and even geographic preferences. I was fascinated to see how much hidden insight lies behind every row of data. Through these projects, I learned how to clean and transform raw data sets, creating interactive dashboards, and apply various filters and slices to visualize key patterns. I became more confident with different data types, variable operators, and started using tools like Excel, Power BI, and Python more fluently. I explored environmental metrics and employee level datasets too, which helped me understand how data science can contribute to sustainable development goals too. What really got me hooked was the storytelling part of data science. Turning number into stories and making data driven decisions felt extremely powerful. The process of building dashboards, choosing the right visuals, and seeing the insights come to life, it was incredibly satisfying. This internship was a turning point for me. I sharpened my analytical thinking, gave me hands on experience, and confirmed that data science is something I truly enjoy and want to pursue further. A big thank you to my mentors and the entire team who supported me throughout. This was an unforgettable learning journey. Thank you.